of Hollywood actors and then through skill development. Our youth becomes job givers rather than job seekers. We lead a sustainable economy. Great nations are not led by hands of people, but by those who can give their hands to some. I, you, and everybody loves their freedom, but nobody wants a responsibility. Today, I live in a nation, unfortunately, friends, where a cigarette which can kill you is sold openly, but when a girl has to buy sanitary pads, she has to hide them in a black polythene. Today, I live in a nation where it's been 78 years since the white man has left in this nation, but we are still living in that conflict using fairness camps to whiten our skin, whiten our culture, whiten our education, whiten our way of life in this era of globalization. We need to understand as a young people that I can wear an American shirt and a polished pants and a German watch, but my identity, which is going to be decided by the educational structure I have been part of, as to stay Indian. I argue all my fellow students not to influence this freedom. Freedom is their gift and must be cherished. Our forefathers fought bravely to achieve it. Freedom is their gift to us. Let us do them proud and take this nation forward to the pinnacles of glory and success. अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी से भारत कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं है, भारत कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं है जीता जागता राष्ट्र पुरुष है वंदन की धरती है, अभिनंदन की धरती है अर्पण की भूमि है तर्पण की भूमि है, इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है, इसका कंकड़ कंकड़ हमारे लिए चंकर है। हम जिएंगे तो इस भारत के लिए और मरेंगे तो इस भारत के लिए, और मरने के बाद भी गंगा